All right, guys, so one of the mods that we're going to do to the E46 M3 is to replace the front lower control arm bushings. Here you see we have the ones from Bimmerworld. You can see what they look like. They're also called Lollipops. So this is what they look like when you take them out of the packaging. And ours have these hard bushings in there. So it's going to give up a little bit of ride comfort, but it's okay because it'll really improve the way that the car steers. So really looking forward to having these in there. I'm pretty sure that the old bushings that are in the car right now are pretty much shot. So we'll show you guys those as we take them out. So that's one of them. And then here's the other one. Doesn't want to come out of the packaging. But there's the other one. So you can see them side by side here. All right, so let's begin the install. And here are the lollipops. Here's one, and here's the other. The bushings inside actually don't look too bad. Maybe somewhere along its 170,000 mile history it was replaced, but we'll know for sure once it's totally off. Good one. There's the other lollipop. That one came out pretty easy. The other side, so far, not so much. But these actually look to be in pretty good shape. You can see that the bushing isn't flexing too much. Can't really move these too much with my hands, so these for sure were replaced at one point. And take the new one. It'll be this one. And we would reinstall it as such. Oh, I hope this doesn't have to be pressed on. Oops. Gonna be pressing a lot more. All right, so after a bunch of huffing and puffing, I finally got the front lower control arm bushing installed, and here you can see the final product. It's in there. It's torqued down, everything is set. It was really tough to get this part all the way on there. So what I did was I used a rubber mallet and I just kind of hammered it on there very softly, and it finally went back far enough so that these line up. Because what you have to do is you have to get the back of these holes onto those. And it's kind of tough because the control arm doesn't really have a lot of play. And so it was kind of hard bolting it up there. But with a little bit of wiggle room and a little bit of huffing and puffing, I got it on there. I didn't have to use WD-40 or anything. Got this a little dirty, but I'll clean it up later. And so that's it. Steering feel should be much improved. So really excited to feel the difference. So now I just have to swap out this one. Same thing. The only thing is that this one is on here really, really tight. The other one wasn't on there too tight at all. I could actually remove it by hand, but this one is on here really, really tight. So I'm gonna mess around with it. I'm gonna try and loosen the actual bushing from the control arm here. And then once I get that off, I'm gonna install the new one, and this project should be finished. Out with the old, in with the new. And it also looks much nicer too. But this one is a pain. It does not want to come off. So I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on it and let it sit. And then I'll get back to it in a few hours and see how it went. If I could pull it off then. Let it soak in for a while. And let's see what happens. Okay, let's see if it'll come off now after sitting for about an hour with some WD-40. Yeah. I don't think that did. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. It's coming off. Yay! It's off. Okay, so now we got the other side on. So this part just has to be bolted down. And then we're good to go. And there you have it. Both sides are complete.